Randy Bable here, your realtor from 10 Realty downtown Sevierville. I'm at the Douglas Lake Resort, and I am in a little piece of heaven here on Douglas Lake, the heart of the Smoky Mountains. I have a fantastic 2-bedroom cabin that's been done up so meticulously you're just not going to believe your eyes when we step inside. This is a great opportunity for anybody looking to actually find a home with the dock on Douglas Lake so they can get the fishing reels out and go out and do themselves some fishing, catch some bass or whatever else they may end up catching. If it's me, I'm probably going to catch a big old fat tire. But there's some fantastic fish in there, everything that anybody wants who wants a place on the lake and still wants that lovely cabin to feel like they're part of the Smoky Mountains. When you get a chance to come out and take a look at it, what you're going to notice is it's positioned so well, not only because it's right on the lake, you have great views off both decks, it looks right down the water, but also it's at the end of a real quiet road and there's only one other cabin beyond it. Then after that, it's just a walking trail that just takes you to some other part of the community. What a great location. Now another thing to note before we even go inside is a fantastic parking area. The parking is huge. You have enough room for maybe 5 cars over here, an RV, or for all of you who are pulling a boat, plenty of place to put your trailer while the boat's in the water and you're out there catching them fish or doing what you do when you're having fun on the lake. So you've seen a bit of the outside. You can see this is a fantastic, beautiful cabin in a great location. I tell you what, wait to be totally amazed because the inside is absolutely beautiful. Comes with all the furniture, all the equipment that's in here. I think you're really gonna love this place. Come on in and let's take a look around. I want you just to imagine this. You've been out on the water all day, the sun's starting to set, you're on the deck, you got the tongs in your hand, you got the barbecue grill all lit up and ready to throw some of that beautiful fish that you caught while you're out there on your boat enjoying all that water. This is one of the most unique properties that there are in the Great Smoky Mountains. A cabin, beautifully renovated, sitting on the lake with its own dock. Greater for you is to live here as a permanent resident or to even set up as an overnight rental property. And even there's an opportunity with the area down below, convert that to an overnight rental, live up on top, and enjoy the best of both worlds. Either way, for more information about this cabin, just click on the link down here below, or my details are here as well. Pick up the phone, give me a call, and let's see what we can do to make this your new property here in the Smokies. I'm Randy Bable, your realtor at 10 Realty, and I look forward to hearing from you real soon. Talk to you later.